Welcome to 416 Meigs Avenue in Jeffersonville, Indiana. This home is close to the Jeffersonville County Courthouse in downtown Jeffersonville. Quite a happening place. This could be your perfect dream home. Perfect front porch for just porch sitting. Enjoy your time swinging and watching people walk by. Walking inside, you'll be greeted by a beautiful staircase, all natural woodwork, mostly hardwood floors, and in the dining room, a period-correct built-in china cabinet. The living room has two nice built-in stained glass windows on either side of the fireplace. The dining room has wainscoting all around the well-kept old glass china cabinet. The kitchen is older but efficient. A first-floor bedroom has a full bath with walk-in tubs. Upstairs, you will find 3 nice-sized bedrooms, one with a fireplace, full bath, and a walk-in closet that used to be a kitchen with outside entrance. There is a 3/4 basement. Located on an alley next to several businesses, this home could be perfect for either a home or business or both. Don't wait. Schedule your visit today.